Hello, my lovelies, good morning. And this is Sangeeta Gupta, your tarot reader and Reiki Grandmaster, crystal healer, law of attraction coach, and love and relationship expert for more than 25 years, almost 30 years now. So let's begin. As you can see, I have started growing, my gray hair are showing, so you can trust me that I have been there for almost 30 years. I began my spiritual journey at the age of around 23, 24. So you can guess my age now. You can add 30 years. So today I'm going to be doing tarot reading for people whose name begins with A, B, C, D, E, and F. So 3 alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F. How the coming year is going to be, how the coming months are going to be, how the coming month of September, October, November, and December going to be. There are just 4 months left for this year to end, and maybe this year brings a lot of joy and happiness in your life. So let's begin. My God, this is amazing. The card that I've got is joy. So the angel that is that I picked up, the message for you guys, A, B, C, D, E, F, the numbers. So the names in Indian context will be Anshul, Babita, C. So I can't remember a name with C, D, Dolly, that's my pet name. E for Elena, and F for, I can't remember, Faguni. Yes, Faguni is a good name. Yes. So all these people. So this card is for you, which is saying joy. Joy is the highest energy of all. It is the magical sense that everything is possible. Joy springs from appreciating the gifts within each moment. Joy allows you to attract and create your present and future moments as their highest possible level. So the guys, the message for you all is that you be happy and joyous and you can manifest anything. So those of you, rather than me predicting things for you, how about you creating things for yourself in the month of September? So guys, you need to be creative, you need to be generative. You can be the creator of your own life, as we talk about in law of attraction. So tarot cards, as you know, are like, they are predictions, they are combinations, permutations that are showing you the trend. This is the trend, and they don't have an absolute truth. They are done for mostly entertainment purpose and a kind of a guidance, not to believe in them and stick to them. So a lot of time I have people who say this is what's gonna happen. Somebody says this guy is a cheat, the boyfriend is a cheat and you don't trust him. That's not tarot reading. You need to use your own judgment, you need to forgive, you need to be big enough. So it is like nobody is an absolute jerk, nobody is an absolute evil. Everybody has a positivity in him and her. So if you focus on the positivity of the person, that is what you will attract in your life, and tarot reading is just a guidance. So be joyous. Coming month is going to be joyful, and any incident, anything that happens, you can always convert it into joyful. For example, if you meet with an accident, you can be joyous. My God, I've been saved, rather than saying, oh, this shouldn't have happened. So at least I'm alive, I'm happy. So this is how you turn around events and things in your favor when you look at the positive aspect of life. And let's now look at more predictions of people having names from A, B, C, D, E, F. So there's a song in the Indian one, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It goes till G. So this song is from Salman's movie, where this case had come upon him, and I'm forgetting the exact words, but it was a nice family song where everybody was singing A, B, C, D, E, F. So this was a nice song. You can look up, Google it up. This movie of Salman, and where there were at least 5-6 heroines there. It was a very entertaining family drama. So the things are going to be very lively, very, very beautiful for you guys. Month of September, I can see that you will be working. There will be a lot of money pouring in, and like you, it will be like, you will be feeling light and happy, because I can see the card of Fool here. So just let go of everything, let go of all the worries, all the tensions, and it will be a good month for you, and upcoming events will show up, because whichever way you have your thoughts and feelings consistently, you are going to attract more of them. So for example, for a week you are practicing being happy and joyous, you are going to attract more of happiness and joy in your life for the rest of the month. So be happy, be excited, and create wonderful things. When you are happy and excited, in that space your brain starts working in a better way. Your creativity enhances, new ideas start coming, you tune into the positive energy of the universe. So guys, just be fully self-expressed. Do not hold back any anger and resentment in your life. Be full of joy, appreciate things. Autumn is about to come, the weather is going to become cooler, so enjoy the mornings and the evenings. Go out, have fun, be with nature. That is also one of the ways to feel happy and joyous, and nothing to worry. Ke sara sara, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Ke sara sara. Although we are still trying to peep into the future, but future will not reveal everything. So be in that space of not knowing all the time. Trust yourself, trust life. Even a tarot reader cannot tell you everything correctly. Nobody can claim to be God. If they could, then we would all be predicting everything about our lives. Let life remain, some of it be a mystery. Mystery is very charming and beautiful. Have lovely time, dear friends, and enjoy. Keep watching my videos, and please do write in the comment box how this video was. Love you all. See you.